Hey y'all, this is Tina. It's been a while since I've been able to make a video, so I just wanted to pop on for just a minute. I'm sharing with you while I'm talking to you. This was my grandmother's chair that she kept in her bedroom for all the years I can remember, probably since I was a baby. But anyway, I love this chair, and I, of course, got it when she passed away. This is just a few of my pillows that I've made that I'm just sharing with you while I'm talking to you. I just would like to come on here and announce that I will be having a small sale on Sunday morning. I'm not sure about the time yet. I usually try to get them up and running by 10. If it's not exactly going to be 10 o'clock, it will be shortly after, hopefully, depending on how slow it is to upload the videos. Y'all know sometimes it takes it forever. It won't be a long video. It's going to be sort of a Destash, but I'm putting together some Christmas kits. I will have paper kits and I will have fabric kits. I will try to mail them out on Monday. If you're interested and you see something that you like, I will have them in the mail by Monday, as long as I'll receive your payment, by Monday morning. They will go out that afternoon. So there'll be plenty of time if you're working on Christmas journals or anything like that that you can use, some of the things that's going to be in the kits, then you'll have plenty of time to do that. So I just wanted to pop on, say hello. It's been a minute since I've posted anything. We did have vacation for a week in the mountains, and that was nice. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you all soon. Hope you're having a great weekend. Thanks. Bye.